For Case Control Cloud users who choose not to use Sales Invoice Manager, there's a simplified dispatch process that can be accessed via Quick Dispatch. The Quick Dispatch grid contains all paid orders that are currently in released and staging in Sales Invoice Manager. The report type drop-down can be used to select which reports we want to print for the orders that we want to process. We can now select the orders that we want to generate the reports for. And use the Actions button to select Print Reports. We can optionally allocate these orders to a batch, which can then be filtered for in the grid. For example, if we want to assign these orders to a specific worker. We can now download our reports. And here we can see the invoices, delivery notes and pick sheets for the orders we selected. You'll see we can now filter the grid by the batch number we created earlier. We can also use the Show Items button to view the items on each order in the grid. This can be particularly useful when deciding on which courier to select, for example. If we wish, we can scan or type the invoice number of one of our orders into the Scan Verify box in order to verify the pick as we pick the order. As we scan in the items that we're picking for the order, the percentage complete figure will gradually build up until it reaches 100%, at which point the system will know that the pick is complete and the pick will be verified. Once the pick has been verified as complete, we can then use the drop-down to change the courier if we wish, and click the Process button to complete the processing of the order. The order will now have been moved through to the shipping stage, marked as shipping confirmed. If we don't want to verify the pick and process the order straight away, we can select an order, select Pick Pack Verification and turn off Verifying Pick. We can then assign the order to a courier and click Process, and the order will be processed as before. Thanks for watching.